If you look at the description of this particular question, there is a straight line like this. There is a straight line. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the negative x-axis, this is the negative y-axis, this is the origin. A straight line initially making an angle of 30 degree and passing through the point 2, 0. Is it okay? This is initially inclined at an angle of how much degree? Initially inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Now this straight line, now it's rotated clockwise, it seems, like this. This is the new position, alright, this is the new line, this is the original line now, because it is rotated in the clockwise direction, original line I will say. So now it is rotated in the clockwise direction by an angle of alpha is equal to 15 degree. So can you tell me what is the resultant angle here now? Resultant angle, I will call this as beta, okay, now I will call this as theta. Theta is equal to 30 degree minus how much degree? 15 degree, that is equal to 15 degree, right? And the line is still passing through the point, what is it? 2, 0. This is nothing but x1, y1. Now what is the required equation of the line? Using what? Using point slope form. We can say using point slope form. I can say here y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1, correct? Y minus 0, that is equal to m. M is nothing but tan of theta. M is tan of theta. Theta is 15 degree into x minus 2, correct? Now we have to find out what is the value of tan of 15 degree. Tan of 15 degree can be written as tan of 45 degree minus of 30 degree, right? So it's of the form tan of a minus b. Tell me what is the formula for tan of a minus b? Tan of a minus b can be written as tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b, correct? 1 plus tan a tan b. So I can write this is nothing but tan of 45 degree minus 30 degree. 45 degree minus 30 degree, that is equal to tan 45, 1 minus 1 divided by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So your answer to the question will be root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. If I multiply and divide by the conjugate, okay, of the denominator to make the denominator a rational number, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, I will get here tan of 15 degree can be written as root 3 minus 1 the whole square divided by 3 minus 1. So this is nothing but 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So you get 2 minus root 3. You get here 2 minus of root 3, correct? So y minus 0, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 into what is it? X minus 2, correct? So y is equal to 2 minus root 3 times x minus of 2 times 2 minus root 3, right? So I can say 0, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 x minus y minus 4 plus root 3. This form will be the answer to the question. Either the option might have left the answer here only, or they have considered simplifying this part. So this would be the answer to the question.